Flying soon? You might want to double check your outfit before heading to the airport, because believe it or not, what you wear can totally mess up your TSA you're screening, or worse, get you pulled aside for extra inspection. Today on Travanaut, we're diving into 10 things TSA absolutely hates to see you wearing at airport security. Let's save you some time, stress, and awkward pat-downs. Shall we? Starting with number 10, hats and bulky headgear. They might look cool, but TSA agents will ask you to remove them. It blocks the camera view and could trigger a manual inspection. So, unless you're hiding a secret identity, skip the hat until you've cleared security. Next, those fancy lace-up boots or high tops. Nightmare fuel for TSA lines. You'll have to take them off, untie them, and then rush to put them back on while everyone's watching. Stick with slip-ons or sneakers if you want to breeze through security. Number 8, bling overload. That necklace, watch, ring, and bracelet combo might sparkle in selfies, but metal detectors love them too. Keep it minimal until you're through security. TSA agents don't want to spend 5 minutes figuring out which bangle set off the alarm. Coming in hot at number 7, bulky jackets and layers. TSA can't see what's underneath on their scanners, so they'll likely pull you aside for a pat-down. One warm hoodie is fine, but leave the Michelin Man outfit at home. TSA hates baggy pants and oversized outfits, not because they're unfashionable, but because they can hide stuff. Loose pockets and folds make scanners go crazy. Dress comfy, but not like you're smuggling snacks in your sweatpants. Your smartwatch might be smart, but TSA screens it as another electronic device. It's best to toss it into the tray before the scanner. Don't make the agent explain why your Apple Watch is glowing like a mini UFO. Belts with giant metal buckles? TSA's worst nightmare. You'll always be told to remove them, so wear pants that stay up without one or use a fabric belt. Unless you're a celebrity dodging paparazzi, take off those shades. TSA wants to see your face clearly for ID checks. And yes, they've seen every excuse in the book. Next, gloves or full-hand accessories. They can look stylish, but TSA needs to see your hands during screening. Leather gloves? Straight into the tray, please. And number 1, metal-studded clothing or hidden zippers. These set off alarms faster than you can say, "It's just fashion." Avoid jackets or pants with decorative metal. TSA scanners hate those details. So, next time you're flying, dress smart. Travel smart. A few simple choices can save you from long waits, awkward stares, and unwanted pat-downs. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and keep exploring beyond borders with Travanaut.